My name is Steve Boble, the mayor of the city of Hialeah and the chair of Miami-Dade County's TPO.
Hello, my name is Eileen Boucle. I'm the executive director of the Miami-Dade Transportation Planning Organization.
It's been a wonderful experience. We've learned a lot, I believe, of this synergy between bicycle, pedestrian, vehicles, transit.
It was very interesting to actually be immersed in the design component of bicycle first philosophy. We want to study and implement dedicated bikeways that are protected, separated bicycle facilities to increase safety and mobility for pedestrian and bicyclists in Miami-Dade County.
Hopefully some of these ideas could become a reality in Miami-Dade County as we try to move people in an efficient way. We've learned a lot visiting here in the Netherlands.
Got my good friend Dave right here. We're about to go do some great things out there. Get some ideas to bring them back to South Florida. In the process, we're gonna make South Florida great.
I'm Robert Wolfarth. I am chair of the Citizens Independent Transportation Trust.
Hello, my name is Valerie Nielsen and I'm the executive director at the Palm Beach Transportation Planning Agency.
My name is Beam Furr and I am the vice mayor of Broward County and the chair of CEFTEC.
I'm Christy Fox. I'm a West Palm Beach City Commissioner and I am also an executive board member on the Palm Beach TPA.
We're here in the Netherlands having an amazing time experiencing all the bicycle facilities, really experiencing an all ages and abilities communities.
And I think one of the most important things that we learned is that there's a lot of people that think that the Dutch are just natural cyclists, but it actually took a lot of people and a lot of effort in order to move forward and make bicycling a reality as a form of transportation.
Well, it's pretty amazing. I ride a bike a lot at home. I never have to experience very many other bikers. Here there's thousands of them.
It's been so exciting to see the dedicated areas for bike lanes and the transportation options that they have here and just the ease of use for all the things from trains to trams and bike lanes and everything in between.
This has been great. We're so grateful to the Dutch Cycling Embassy, to the Miami-Dade TPO for inviting us to learn from them, to bring back these best practices to South Florida, and we can't wait to come back.